In 1896, a man named Charles Osborne started hiccuping after lifting a pig. Then, he never stopped. He hiccuped every few seconds, day and night, for 68 years. Doctors counted over 430 million hiccups. He lived through 2 world wars, learned to sleep between hiccups, and once stopped for a full year, only for them to come back. People forgot his real name and just called him the Hiccup Man. When asked how he survived, he said, "I just pretended it wasn't happening." In 1991, Charles Osborne died peacefully, and for the first time in nearly 7 decades, the hiccups stopped. Like and subscribe so you won't miss any of my videos on true stories.